Good morning. Well, 1:41. More like good afternoon. I just woke up, as you can tell. Let me show you what just got here. This is something that I have been waiting for like months. Like a whole month. And it's finally here. Put the camera down. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Look at this. I'm not too happy with the color of the box. Like the box is cute or whatever, but I present to you my new lip glosses. I'm okay with the name. Was not exactly what I wanted, but they didn't give me many choices, so I'm like, you know what, first I'm gonna try out the product. I don't like that font at all. It looks it just looks cheap to me, but you know what, I'm like, let's try out the product first, which is what I mostly care about, because I can even send these without, look at this, I can even send these without the box. Should we open it? Brand new. I'm of course gonna keep one whole collection. And we're gonna see from there. Look how creamy these are. Oh my gosh. Look how creamy that is. Excuse my hairy arm. It doesn't smell bad. It smells like lip gloss, of course. So this was supposed to be silver. It looks a little white, but it's okay. I'm excited for these. Wow. Look at that. It's like true colors. Wow. This is like an orangish color. I'm gonna put it beside the red so you guys can compare. These are all the colors. Okay, so I just went to check outside because they had said my package had been delivered today. So this is the last package we were waiting for today. Yes, damn, this is a lot. But it's cute or whatever. This is the 2 pound. This is a lot. But it's okay, that way I don't have to keep buying and buying. When you buy in bulk, it comes out at a better price. So yeah. So I'm basically going to be showing just how I package my order. This is my box. The tissue paper. I just put one like this. And then these are the products that I'm going to be sending out. So we put the name up here so you can see it. Can you see the box? And then I'm going to throw in these 3 of the new ones that came in. And here. We're going to just set them down right there. Okay. And I'm going to throw in this gold tweezer, and this solid black beauty blender, and it has my name on it, Beauty Kartel. I'm gonna throw that in there.
Possible problems. These tests could take a minute or two to finish, so please bear with me while the tests are running. One moment, please.
What is that? Now we're going to be showing how we package the small orders. So the smaller ones, like if they get 3 or less lashes, I'm not going to send a bigger box, so I'm going to send them in those small poly mailers like this one, and with the tissue paper. So first things first, let me put on my gloves. So these are the bigger boxes. This is another order that's actually ready to ship out, but for 2 lashes I'm not gonna send like a big box, you know, so that's why we do this one, which is, you know, a little poly mailer. So that's what we're gonna do. This next order, we're gonna do it right here. She ordered 2 lashes. She ordered Savage, are the new ones that I posted a few days ago, and she ordered Wifey. This is Savage. So what I'm gonna do for now, I'm gonna use these because the other ones have not came in the mail. They're gonna come until like the 20th. So I'm gonna use these. So now that we have the thank you card, I tried to write a little personal message to everyone. So we're gonna go ahead and put it inside. So now we'll just take this off. Okay, now this one sticks. And that's how we ship the smaller orders. Hey, so I'm back from Walmart and I'm really quick gonna show you guys what I got. Let me turn off that music. I got these 2 spray cans. This is what I use to spray my boxes, where I put like my beauty cartel. So I use these. They're like $1, so I mean they're only gonna go on the boxes. The boxes get thrown away most likely. I don't think anybody keeps them. I bought these pink towels for my table. I used to have them in blue, but then when I would take pictures it wouldn't look as cute, you know. Good afternoon. So I was gonna end out the video a little bit ago, but guess what? Today my cards arrived from Vistaprint. I designed these on my own, but I just had them print them out for me. So I decided, like, why not just open them on camera to see what they look like. Oh, I was looking chubby. Okay. So I have another thing right here. Oh my God. I actually like them. Thank you for supporting Beauty Cartel. Bitch. Bitch. So this is what they look like. Y'all can see yourself in the back. So it says, thank you for supporting Beauty Cartel. And then it has, follow us on social media. And it has the Instagram and the Facebook. And look at the back. Ta-da! So it has Beauty Cartel and the email, beautycartelboutique.com. So right here I have some orders ready to be shipped, but I was actually, like I said, waiting for these cards. So now I just, this is for that and that's for that, and I just have to throw it in and I don't have to be making them myself, you know. So yeah, something I did forget about my cards was to put like a little discount code for next time, but that's fine. I'm actually gonna put it like maybe in a sticker. I'm just gonna actually have stickers made, because since my codes are gonna be changing, I didn't want to get so many cards with a discount code that might change in like a month or two. Something kind of like this. I know my head's gonna be cut off like always. So I'm gonna actually have them done like this. These are already running out, but I've been using these now. So I'm thinking to have something done like this, like here's a 15 or 20% off for your next purchase, and these, stamp them on these cards. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pack the orders and drop them off before it's too late. And I'm gonna go ahead and close out this part of the video right here. That way I can start filming more in another video, because I don't want it to be too long, as it should be already long. But either way, I'm gonna end out the video right here. Thank you so much for watching. If you did stay to the end, if you have any questions, if you want me to do any kind of videos, if you want me to answer anything, just go ahead and leave it down in the comments, and I will obviously be replying to everybody. So yep, with that being said, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you like this kind of videos, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. That way I can know to keep doing more of this. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. That way I know that you guys like this type of videos and I can keep doing more. And turn on that little bell button. If you click on it, it will notify you every time that I upload a new video. So thank you so much for watching, and until my next video.